What up YouTube world? It's officially 2022 and we're back in business. Thanks for tuning in. This is going to be the first ride of 2022. I just thought I'd show you around again, see what she looks like. She hasn't been out the house in a little while. Happy New Year to all. Now, I got some mods coming up for the bike, but those you'll see in upcoming videos. But for today, for the first ride of 2022, I've done a little something to it. I won't say what it is. I'll let you guys figure that out. 9 times out of 10, majority of you guys will know straight away what I've done. I don't know why this never came to me earlier. Just make sure she's recording. I'm not talking to myself. Yep, she's recording. Start her up. First time in 2022. Kickstand up, she's in neutral, let's start her up. But let's see how she sounds. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think I've done to it, if anything. Still got their Christmas tree up. Can you see or hear a difference? I don't know if the GoPro is going to pick it up properly, but in my ear, it's piercing AF. If you don't know by now, this should be a giveaway. that speed camera does not work. It hasn't worked in a while. Come on, give him a little flash. Left foot down, right foot on the brake. Now I don't know why. Come on. If you haven't already guessed, I took the baffle out, which is why the bike now sounds like an Asbo on wheels. Let's just jump into it quickly. Go. Let's park up somewhere for a second. Turn that off. I've taken the baffle out. I don't know why it took me so long to come up with the idea to take the baffle out. This is the result of taking the baffle out on the Lextech. A lot of you guys have mentioned it or asked me in the comment section, what's this exhaust called, but this is what it's called, and it's straight through now. That's why it sounds like a lunatic. Let me know in the comment section below whether you think I should keep it out or put it back in. I'd rather get your guys' opinion. So yeah, let me know what you think, whether it sounds good, whether it sounds bad. Who the hell was that? Whether I sound like a moron rolling around in the streets with a 125 and no baffle. They're going that way. Don't know who the f that was. Oh. I hope this is coming through in the GoPro audio, but this is loud as f. Need to do is stop and check who on earth keeps WhatsApping me so much. Let me stop here for a second. Someone is doing my head in. Okay, all right, we'll leave that for a little bit later on. Make sure there's no one coming behind. The f. And on that note, I want to say thanks for tuning in. It's a nice little short video, just so you can hear what it's like with the baffle. That is so loud, it's unreal.